dwells in the unknown, same as I am. Leo nataka study vitu nyingi tu, bado tunaendelea tu kustudy because they study the thing that we need it like that into civic education. I can see now people are just being hired to become kitu kama wanakuwa ma projects. Mimi hapa hivi the reason I'm not removing a podcast. It's a podcast, by the way. This is not a video. This is a commoner voice with the structurized ground foundation of a commoner. And it can collaborate something, kwa sababu ni kama ni aim ya podcast niko nimeshapiga hesabu ya mic tuko nayo, tuko na hizo hesabu zote sasa hii whereby sina jana podcast. Niko na exploration with my aim ya kuchannel kenye itakam, na that is a commoner. So lazima ni bottom up, lakini yangu ni grounds up. Kwa ground kupanda juu. Watasema kila mtu anataka kuwa tajiri, lakini huwezi tudanganya hapo kuwa tajiri ati nini blah blah blah. No, you are being bullied. So we understand the situation they have students undergo. In short, this is an ad of a commoner. Ni kama advertise mimi ni commoner. That's the only thing. So explaining civic and financial ideas, what does it mean? It means learning how system works and then making those systems understandable to everyday people, especially youth and marginalized groups, so they can take action, claim their rights, and avoid exploitation. What are the civic ideas? The civic ideas deal with how government works, how right and responsibility people have, how to participate in public life, what accountability means. You explain civic ideas by teaching people what is in the constitution, freedoms, election, devolution, how countries are supposed to serve them, how to question leaders with facts, not just emotions, why voting matters and how votes are counted, which civic duty is, and how it's not just about election but daily engagement. Example, civic explainers. What does your MCA really do? How public money is supposed to be spent in your area? How many funds or how many accounts do the government have apart from the considered fund or the considered accounts? That expenditure for emergency blah 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 zinakwanga pale kwa constitution. Nikidhani nakwanga the main ni 3, nikidhani the main ni 3. Zimeevaporate kwa kichwa kidogo tu. How to report corruption and get follow up. You are right when stopped by the police. Na pia kwa place tena ya finance ni vitu nyingi pia wanafaa kugundua. Kuna area nyingi za wasa wanapiga wash. Na sasa nimeanza kugundua wasa wanapiga wash na religion na transport. According ni uwizi. Yo achana hiyo. Real estate. Lakini hotels. Na sana hoteli ni zile 4 star 5 star hapo hivyo ama 3 star. Hata sijui 3 star inakanga aje. Kama hizo Kempinski, hizo Weston. Si ndio. In papers inasema service ni 10k but ile service kwa ground service ni 8 so. Paperwork. That's the thing inafanyika hapa hivi. Ukiingia place kama Kilimani uko place kuna wash Lavington, Loresho, wash ziko hivyo nyingi sana. Na wash sasa ni za Kenya. Ni dozi zinatoka nje, dozi zinakuja kuoshwa hapa hivi na transport. Ile design unapata tuma vijana nao wameshika manganya, wameshika masenke. Kuna wengine ni wajanja tu. Financial ideas. This focus on how money works personally and publicly. Budget, household and government. Savings, borrowing, grants and taxation. Economic empowerment model. You explain this is just about civic education. You explain financial ideas by teaching people how to make a simple budget or saving goal. And that's why pia mkienda kwa philosophers kuna video tu fulani nilipiga nga hesabu vile correction inatokelezea. Unapata hesabu ni ya 5k, lakini kwa ground unapata kwa ground price imepanda na kitu kama 500, sasa kwa 5500. So for deficit unakuwa ya 500 na utaki loan, so you avoid the loan. So you take another subject and it can build something in it, and that's the structure to avoid so much things. But international bullies ikubali develop bila debt. That's the thing. Because the funny thing is only the dollar that is printed from nowhere. Because all of these currencies are fiat currencies, but only dollar, because that is the world reserve, inaprintiwa from nowhere. Us yetu inaprintiwa from debt. Tukienda kuchukua deni, tunaenda kuchukua deni in the form of dollar. After they change, so inapatia demand our currency. And that's why people depend on debts. And no, the whole world depend on debt. That's the funny thing, is except for dollar. Because the funny thing is, dollar, ukienda America, deni ya watu wa America iko cheaper. And that's why you say depend on credit so much. The US citizen wako na credit sana. Na watu wanatumianga hiyo debt sasa for leverage. How government collects money, tax and spends it. In financial ideas and by teaching people the difference between good debt like education loans versus bad debt, predatory lending. Na hii inatufanyikia sisi sana si African nations and some Asian countries and South Americans. Wana predate, wanapatia ni kama niko na cheki ma finances zingine hapo hivi zinakulon in Kenya shillings, lakini zinakwambia ulipe in dollars bana. Watu they're funny sana. How to access youth and women funds. How to start a community chama or sacco. Example financial explainers. How to start a table banking group with friends. What is CDF and can you apply for it? What taxes do we pay and where should we go? Should they go? How to apply for youth grants from the government. Your role as a civic plus civic and financial educator, you are becoming a translator of complex system into simple language, storytelling, visuals and drama, music, poetry, short videos, and infographics. Your aim is not just to is not just to educate, but to spark confidence, participation, and ideas, especially among youth, women, low-income workers, elders, people who have given up on politics or budgeting. Real world examples from the ground. If you are in a market in Nairobi or Eldoret and you gather 10 boda riders, a civic idea will be, let me show you how you can demand your ward development budget be made public. A financial ideas will be, here is how you can save 50 shillings a day and register your own Buddha Sacco in 3 months. Same idea for a school, church, or religious community, youth group, or even an Instagram or TikTok audience for the people who will be there. Tools to help you explain this, kama ni wale mavijana, kama unataka kuanzisha hizi vitu kama civic educators, kama hapo hivyo sasa. Jua some simple designs, graphic designing, na so that you can get easier to navigate into designing, not from the ground like in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Just choose Canva. Figma, Figma and Inkscape unaanzia from ground. Lakini Canva, because there are some people wamesha provide their own data, you can use their data. Ukiingia premium, you support them. Na mimi nakubali pia support pia huyo creator. Some watu wengine they will turn into TikTok or Instagram to turn ideas into fun skit or challenges. Notion and Google Docs to write small guides or cheat codes. Zoom or WhatsApp hosts teach-ins and discussions. Public spaces and street discussions use town halls, churches, or even Buddha Shield as forums. Mini civic education and voter awareness program. You can give it a title, your preferred. For me, naweza sema know your power, shape your future. Because right now, napenda kurudia tu kila saa, ni ile design ya umeelect ule politicians to represent you, but akifika pale na represent the government. Ile government iko pale ku protect, lakini sasa the fun thing ikifika pale kwa sababu ya global institutional and global organization ina protect the status quo. Na pia denominations sasa watu wengi hapa hivi kwa ground. Because the thing tunataka ku target to know our power, to shape our future, the target group is know your power, know your future. It is a teachable, fully civic education program. Na bado mkitaka story na civic education, I'll just be elaborating more. Because the funny thing just about tunakaa hivi, watu wanatuibia tu. Follow up hakuna, budget hakuna, hata tools zetu zinaharibiwa. Hata tukisema tuko na structure story na my rights, my voice, the vote, the game, with the people. Nebaki tu ni game. Iangalie tu vile ina dance. Juma NGO, IBC, County Youth Rep, TSC teachers, religious leaders, poets. Acha niwaambie tu kitu moja. Ukiwa silent, system inasema uko sawa. Sema kitu. Kabisa. All this document, all this thing yenye nimekama kugenerate. Know your power, shape your future. It is a fully teachable civic education program that others can easily understand, adapt, and run in their own local context. Because hii structure na create highly clear, interactive learning, downloadable tools, low cost, scalable, and customized. Kahoma kananikimbiza, and that's why the life of a commoner vile iko tu. No editing, just raw, everything raw. Raw vile iko tu hivyo raw. Nothing else. And that's why know your power, shape your future. This is a youth civic awareness program. Kila mtu anaweza jitengenezea programu yake, lakini kwa hii kitu we can have a background, a problem statement. And the problem statement inasemaje? Kenyan youth, especially those aged between 16 to 30, often lack practical civic knowledge about governance, constitutional rights, and electoral processes. These gaps make them vulnerable to manipulation, political incitement, and economic inclusions. In many low-income areas, voter apathy is growing while corruption and misuse of public resources remain unchallenged. Young people express disillusionment but lack structured civic education, especially one that connects a real-life example with empowerment tools like budgeting, peaceful protest, and legal engagement. The project goal to equip youth with the knowledge, confidence, and tools to become active citizens who understand their rights, participate in democratic processes, and engage in peaceful, creative, and civic actions. And the objective to it, to provide foundational civic and voters education to 50 plus youth, to build youth capacity to recognize and respond to incitement, corruption, critique, and misinformation, We promote community level participation in local governance, public budgeting, and peaceful movement. Program activities inaweza kuwa kitu kama 3-day workshop model whereby Mairasi mnaangalia story na constitution crash course, role playing, public offices, civic cheat codes hivyo. Story na mock election, anti-incitement kama ki-challenge, anti-incitement challenge kama pale TikTok hapo hivyo. Misinformation workshop, place tunaangalia place kama Sonchibla X na kuangalia ile place ya community notes, kitu kama hiyo sasa. With the people, power mapping, budget letter writing, open mic rally. And into this kutakuwa na ile outcome, kutakuwa na financial knowledge, kutakuwa na civic kutakuwa na my youth train for civic. Creative awareness itakuwa pale, vitu nyingi zita increase pale, monitoring pia itakuwa tu pale. And the budget itakuwa kwa ile kama ni movement yenyu mnaanzisha, kutakuwa na ile tu ile budget fulani mnapiga tu hesabu. Kutakuwa na venue kama mnaongelea place kama church ni free. Churches are free. Materials maybe place mnataka kutoa booklets, vitu kama posters, kwa sababu hiyo ndio design ya photocopy pale, kwa sababu mtajituma dhao. Snacks kama nyinyi toa snacks watu wa 50k, kwa sababu zikalisha hivyo wase bila kuongelea. Ukiwakalisha tu hivyo watapata tu kitu kama snack kila mse 150 each, kwa wase karibu 50 wanatumia kitu kama 7500. Transport ama for coordination wanatumia kitu kama 2k. Media hiyo ni free. Simu yako iko na camera hapo hivyo, ni free. Use the tools that iko hapo hivyo. And that's nimekwambia mimi I'm the commoner, I'm the voice of the commoner. Bado ni philosophy hapo hivi, bado ndani yake, kwa sababu bado tutakuwa na kitu inaitwa sustainability ndani hapo hivyo. Program material will be updated for application by teachers, churches and CBOs. WhatsApp groups and visual content will continue after the main session. Civic champions from participants will volunteer as peer trainers. Partnership with local NGOs, CDF officers and CHVs will help with rollouts. Partners and stakeholders, hiyo ni kitu kama local governments, kitu kama hiyo county sasa, CDF, youth go nini and ward reps, NGOs, Aki Africa. Kama mimi niko kwa political party, mimi niko kwa DNA, I've registered myself into DNA, but bado sijakuwa approved. So hapo kuna ile kikao by Brighton Shitemi, kitu kama hizo sasa. IBC Youth Outreach Department, artists plus the poet, and the contacts una provide, and the organization if any. And then utakomesha form a movement that is structured with everything, kwa sababu hapo hivi ni about civic education and financial literacy, kwa sababu kila msaje fundisha hapo, msafundisha story na do hakuna kabisa. And that's why civic education itakamsaidia wase wengi sana. Nile design mimi niko hii area fulani, ule mtu mwingine anaongelea Dago, ule mtu mwingine anaongelea Kibich, tunataka tuje tukao meza moja. Wewe mtu ile movement kama British Temi aliform kikao movement yake Dago, yeye anataka ku MP huko hivyo. Mimi nitakuwa na wing yangu nyingine, ule mwingine atakuwa na wing yake nyingine, lakini saying that thing tuna consolidate, tunakuwa pamoja kama ile design kama coalition. Unakaa na wase wako, tuna agree into something, every inakuwa kama kawaida. For philosophies dwells in the unknown, same as I am.